This is our Saturday.
Friday.
Friday. And it's the worst Friday ever. This is what we're having. Subway with In-N-Out fries. She got In-N-Out. That's Sister Yenny.
Mr.
Alex's
Alex.
sandwich. Fries. Alex.
Alex lost $20 today. Alex is really
That's
sad.
what I don't eat. Has nasty tomato and cucumbers.
How
They
can
did,
you
in
eat
fact, put
healthy Subway with
peppers
fries?
inside my Subway. Like, hello. This is the worst Friday ever. It was so boring. I don't even have hot Cheetos. I have fries. 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 Depressing. And a cup of Coke. It's not even the soda from freaking Subway.
Same thing.
Not the same. Very cute guy singing. Bye. I'm hungry.